Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung bago pa po kayo, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to on the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod natin na upload guys. So ngayon guys, yung recipe natin is Christmas cupcakes color guys. So you can try this kind of color. Color green, pink, and color white. So you can topping the fruit, strawberry and cherry guys. So yummy and tasty. So this one is the highlights, color green and the color red toppings. So easy to make and quick to bake. So don't miss it guys. If you like the cupcakes, so you can try. Sarap to sa mga party-party guys, mga birthday, Christmas, yung may mga okasyon. So you can try this kind of color. So very colorful. So look yummy.